Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to disable suggested creations in Google Photos on computer. So how to disable suggested creations in Google Photos on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Google Photos on your computer or laptop. This is the Google Photos display. Next, move the cursor to the top right of the screen. There are lots of menu options here. Next, tap the Settings menu. Well, here you are in the Settings menu. And here there are lots of setting options that you can use. Scroll down and look for the Suggestions menu. Well, here you have found it. And tap the Suggestions menu. Well, it will appear like this. And tap here to disable creations. The function of this feature allows users to disable automatic suggestions such as collages or animations in Google Photos on their computers. So that's it, the tutorial how to disable suggested creations in Google Photos on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.